Now, on our last story on Dyneema winch rope, we showed you how to correctly put the rope onto the drum. We replaced some pretty old and nasty steel cable. We did do a couple of emergency winches in the interim. But today we're going to show you how to correctly spool the cable on under load so it's ready for serious winching situations.
Yeah, winching!
For real four-wheel driving, any winch rope must be installed under load onto the winch drum. We do this for a number of reasons. First of all, it keeps the rope nice and neat when it goes onto the drum. Secondly, it means that the rope cannot bite down on itself and get knotted in a winching situation or when you're trying to spool the winch out. Thirdly, Dyneema rope, like most winch cables, is only secured to the drum by a small grub screw. Therefore, it is the friction, the resistance of the rope around that first layer of the drum that holds the rope securely onto the winch. So it's imperative that that first layer is laid onto the drum with as much resistance as possible so that it locks and bites into the drum and ensures that the winch cable is secured to the drum. To correctly spool your Dyneema rope onto your winch, you need a few special things. First of all, you need an assistant in the vehicle. Secondly, you need an area with enough distance to get your winch cable fully out, and you need an anchor solid enough to provide resistance for the winch. And we're fortunate that the park at the end of our street provides all of that. So a bit of pressure on the brake and start winching. With the Dyneema rope at full extension, have your assistant apply gentle pressure to the brake. Enough pressure so that the Dyneema rope can be spooled under load, but not enough resistance that the wheels start to slip or you tear the anchor out of the ground. Make sure that the rope is guided carefully on. The first 2 to 3 layers, as explained in our last video, should be spooled on as neatly as possible. From there on, and depending on the length of your rope and the space on your drum, spool the Dyneema rope in a zigzag fashion. This greatly resists the chance of the rope biting down on itself and becoming knotted. Dyneema rope. It's lighter, safer and stronger, and now it's correctly installed under load on our winch and ready for some serious four-wheel driving. I wonder where my next trip will be.
For more information, go to www.winchrope.com.au.